Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to log out of WhatsApp on our phone. And now let's dive right in. Now to log out of WhatsApp on phone, first open up your WhatsApp and make sure that you switch the account on from which you want to log out on WhatsApp. And on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the three dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three dotted icon, and when this drop down menu appears, tap on settings, and from over here you can see the account option available for us. Tap on that account, and here it says the remove account option available for us at the bottom of the screen. Tap on remove account, and you can see where it says the remove from this device, and here it says your phone number. If that's correct, tap on remove account and tap on remove, and you'll be logged out from your WhatsApp. And with that being said guys, this is how to log out of WhatsApp on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.